parenting. Good evening, respected chief guest, headmaster, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. It is my honor to welcome you all to our school's annual day celebration. Today is a very important special day for all of us. We gather here to celebrate the achievement, talent, and hard work of our students. Annual day is not just an event; it is a reflection of our effort and the dedication throughout the year. It is a day to showcase the amazing talent of our students, whether in academic, sports, or cultural activities. It is also a time to thank our respected teachers and parents for their constant support and encouragement. On this occasion, we have planned an exciting program filled with dance, music, drama, and inspiring speeches. Each performance is a result of great teamwork, creativity, and practice by our students and teachers. And sure, you will enjoy every moment of it. We are also here to honor the students who have excelled in different fields. Their hard work and determination inspire all of us to aim higher and do better. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our respected headmasters and the teachers for their constant support, guidance, and effort. A big thank you to all the parents for being here and supporting us always. So let's the celebration begin. I'll sit back, relax, and enjoy this wonderful evening. Let's the celebration begin. Thank you and welcome once again.